Hi everyone! As much as I'm a lover of nail care, I'm also really into skincare too. So in today's video, I'd like to talk about a newfound favorite product of mine by Charbon Plus. This is their organic coconut charcoal mask, and this product is handmade in Africa and suited for black and brown skin. A few things I really like about this product is it's made by a black-owned company, it smells really good, and it's made with natural ingredients. And not only that, but it helps with removing blackheads, dead skin, and it's suitable for those with sensitive skin. I like to apply my mask with the wooden wax stick, making sure to coat my face with a thick, even layer of the product for maximum benefits. I like to use this mask about once or twice a week, and I leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then once it dries, I'll rinse it off with warm water. Make sure you all check out the link in my description box to receive 30% off your order and receive free shipping with my special promo code. That will be linked down below. Let me know how you like it, okay? I think you're gonna love it. Hi everybody, welcome back to another pedicure video by me, Sue. So I'm so excited to do this video because I think the transformation from beginning to end is just so satisfying and beautiful. So as always, the first step I'm gonna do would be to cut the client's toenails. So I am using a couple new products in this video today, not products but like nail tools. And so one of the new products that I got is this super tiny hand file. I got this off of Shein, and it's okay. I feel like it's a little bit on the finer side, which isn't bad, but it's just not something, I guess it's just a different file than what I normally use. But this set comes in like a pack of 50, and I really like how tiny it is. It works really well for small areas such as toes. So these files are okay. And to start my prep process, I'm going to be using my medium sanding bands to get rid of the dead skin, exfoliate the toes, all that stuff that I normally do in the first step. Nothing new here, nothing crazy, but as you can see from just doing this step alone, her toenails already look so much cleaner, and this bit is getting off so much stuff, and it's awesome. I love it. So right here I'm using the other side of the cuticle pusher to just help me remove like bigger pieces of like dead skin, nail dust, debris, all that stuff before I go in with my smaller bit. And then this bit right here, this is also another new item that I got. I actually got this bit off of AliExpress. I'm not sure, I mean, this bit is okay as well. Again, I feel like it's a bit too fine, and I feel like compared to my other cone bit that I use, it just doesn't take off as much in like the first go. So you can see here that like I feel like I have to like file this area like so much more in comparison to like the other bit that I have. But at the same time, it's like this bit isn't bad, it's just different. So I think I do have to use it a couple times, maybe adjust the speed to for me to really get used to this bit because I don't know, I really like it. I like the size of it. It's super affordable on AliExpress, all that stuff. So I'm gonna try it a couple more times and I'll get back to y'all if I want to keep using this bit or not. Okay, do you see right here how there's that like dead piece of dead skin and it's just like not coming off? That's what I'm talking about. Like it's a bit too fine. It doesn't like take off stuff. Because I feel like if I was using my other comb bit, it would have taken that little thing off. But it's not that big of a deal because again, I have more steps to go through, and then I can use my cuticle nippers to take it off. But I just feel like the bit should be doing this part for me. Like I don't know. And the same thing here, like that little, I think with this toe as well, there's just that piece of dead skin that I feel like I could normally just file off with the bit and it's just not coming off. I don't know. I don't know. So I will use my cuticle nipper here to just pretty much get rid of the dead skin that the bits couldn't get rid of. Um, Again, pretty standard procedure here, taking off all that stuff that we don't need, and just be careful not to nip any live skin per usual. Forgot to mention that this is also this cuticle nipper is a new one as well. Um, I got this cuticle nipper from Shein too, so it's okay. It's sharp, it works, does what it has to do. The only thing is that I dislike, if I'm being extra picky, is that like the jaw size is a little bit bigger than what I'm used to. I like to use like the 1/4 or the quarter jaw type of cuticle nippers, and I'm pretty sure this is either like a half jaw or a full jaw cuticle nipper. But hey, it's okay. It does the job. So I got this. I guess it's just turning into like a little nail art or nail supply haul. There's a bunch of new products that I got, unintentional, but it's cool. I got this ball bit, this diamond ball bit from Amazon, and I love it. I love this bit so much. It's such good quality. I feel like I probably should get like a smaller size. I'm pretty sure this is like a 5 millimeter size ball bit, and maybe if I got like a 3.5 or 4 millimeter size, it would be perfect for the toes. But like the coarseness, the grit, this is a fine grit. With a fine grit uh, diamond ball bit, and it just works so well. It just like obliterates all the dead skin, exfoliates everything. I love it. I think I might look for like a smaller size, but at the same time, I'm not really complaining. And then I'm just using my liquid cuticle remover and my pusher to really clean the toes, get all that dead skin off the nail that I couldn't get off with my other tools and products. And I'm getting underneath her toenails as well to make sure underneath are her toes are clean and pristine. This item here is a new one as well. Um, Totally getting meticulous manicurist vibes out of this part of the video right here. Um, yeah, this is like that metal tool with like it's like a hook and a scoop, and as you can see, I'm just getting all up in those sidewalls, just getting all that gunk out that I couldn't get with all the other tools that I used. I really like this one. I got this on Shein as well, and I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into my pedicure services, and I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more often. I usually just reserve this for the big toe. The big toe usually needs extra cleaning versus like the littler, the more little, oh my god, the littler toes. Is that a word? I don't know. And we're just about finished here. Gonna use some alcohol to cleanse the toes. As you can see, they're all super clean and nice. This was such a satisfying service to do. I loved it. This client has amazing toes. Look at that. So gorgeous, doesn't even need polish. But as always, they always want polish, so I have to give the people what they want. Anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching my video today. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!